Person wey fine deserve compliments. Ah, who be this one?
Na the new office assistant.
This is the exact website I used to create that movie, and I used Grok Video 1.5 Grok. So if you know that you cannot pay for all those heavy subscriptions from all this app, Grok, you can access Grok through this website. Take note of this website, zoom in and check it. Now I'm going to be logging into this website. It is very, very easy. You can also access Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.1, VO 3.1. You can access all of it. In fact, there are so much. Let's just log in, and I'm going to show you what you can access. Now, by the time you log in, you are going to get 300 free credits. And if you subscribe to their mailing list, if you click on there's a bonus you are going to click on, there's a pop-up you are going to click on to subscribe to their mailing list. If you accept it, they are going to add another 300 credits to you. I've already logged into this website with my other email. So I was able to get 600 credits on my other email, and I was able to generate like 3 videos or 4 videos because I wanted it to be high resolution. Hey, this is it here. When you click on this get coupon, you are going to subscribe to the mail. I don't know why it did not give me for my second email, but if you are logging in for the first time with a fresh email, it's going to give you 600. So just ignore the fact that it did not give it to me because this is my second email I'm using to log into this website. Now let's get into the business of the day. You are going to click on that 3 button icon at the left corner, and then go to all tools. You are going to go to all tools. You are going to see all the tools that this website has. You can see it has Seedance 2.0, AI image, AI video, remove image background, so many things you can do on this website. So you can see the 300 credits is there, but they didn't give me the bonus 600 credits. I was checking and checking, but I did not get it. Maybe because I was using another. So you can still buy credits. It's very, very cheap. You can buy. It's cheap and just do your work. The video that I did with this website using Grok came out exactly like Grok. It came out exactly like Grok, like no difference. Look at all the models you can use on this website. Look at them. Just explore these models. Big models that are good for video generation. That is it's a lot. Do you see Halio there? Do you see Google View? Do you see them? There are so much. Kling is there, Seedance is there, all the variants of Seedance 1.5 Lite, 2.0, everything is here for video generation. You don't need to stress yourself. Just come to this website and then use it. That's why I say subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to the channel, you are going to get new websites you are going to use for free. You don't need to pay until your content starts getting monetized, until you start monetizing those your videos. Then you can now pay. It is not advisable that for now you need to start pay heavily to create content, and you know that okay, you don't have such money. Use this free website for now. It will sharpen your skills, it will sharpen your knowledge, and before you start using the paid version, you already know what you are doing in terms of video generation. This is the image side, and you can see everything you can do with your image. Chat is there. Chat gives very good image. Nano Banana Pro is there. So you can use it to generate your image. Do you see what you can do here? You can remove background of an image. There's a lot of templates you can use here. Just click one of the templates. Maybe you don't have any inspiration of your own. Just click one of the templates and then generate a script for it, and it will give you your detailed movie or your detailed video in that template. Now we're going to go back to generating a video. So your 300 credits, it depends on how you use it. You can either change the aspect ratio or the duration of the video. That is how you'll be able to know how many credits you are going to be burning. So if you know that you want to generate for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you'll be burning less credit. If you're going to generate for 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you'll be burning more credit. So you can generate up to 10 to 15 minutes video. So that is it. Now let's go back and just see how this is going to work. I'm going to copy. You can also even download image in 2K. You can see here now, images can be generated in 2K, 2K and 1K, you know. So you can change the aspect ratio, 16:9, 1.1, 9:16, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Now let's go to generating this image. Now I'm going to import the generating the video, sorry, import the video you want to use. This is the image I want to use. Then I'm going to change the duration to 8 seconds, because, and I'm going to change the upload to 720 pips. The upload to 720 pips, that is what I want. I've already copied my dialogue and I'm going to paste it in the prompt. Make sure that it is not doing too much so that everything will go smoothly. You can see it's giving, this is my second account. Yes, this is my second account. Now you can see that I'm using 200 and something. You can see my credit there is 500 and something. I generated an image. I tested the image part and it collected 74 credits or so. Now I want to generate two videos. That will be two videos in two parts. So this is the first part, 200 and something credits. I'm going to be generating it. Now know that this website is going to take a whole lot of time to generate. You need to be very patient, very patient with what you are doing. It is not like the Grok itself or the Seedance itself where it generates very fast. If you are using those models in their own app, they are very fast there. But if you are using it in a third party app, just like this one, this is a third party app, it's very slow. So you need to settle down and wait for it. Do not log out of this interface. Do not switch to another application while you are on this, so that you will not start again. So that is what you do. Now if you are coming across my channel for the first time, I'm saying it, do well to subscribe and like this video. Now this video is
No
ready. You can
wahala, I
see
like
what
you,
it
you dey
did there.
funny.
The dialogue is making
Na
sense,
floor you wan
the
sweep o,
video
no be
is
interview
making
na.
sense.
I
Do you
gats look
see?
sharp na abi?
He walked away
No
after
wahala, I
talking to
like you, you dey
Emeka
funny.
and Ada. He walked away. You see
Na
that
floor you
Ada
wan
was
sweep
not
o,
talking,
no be
she was
interview
not
na.
saying anything.
I
You
gats look
need to
sharp.
learn how to prompt very well to be able to get your desired results. And I'm going to be using this for my AI storytelling channel on Facebook. That's what I've been building since. So I've been using all these websites too that I'm coming to show you. I'm using them also. It's not as if I'm showing you and I'm not using them. I'm using them. So you're just going to click on the down arrow button there and download it straight to your device. I'm not sure it has watermark. It doesn't have watermark. When I was editing it on my InShot, I didn't see any watermark. So this does not have watermark. So you can be rest assured that you are not going to be battling with watermark here. Now I want to generate the second dialogue scene. Now this, I've already pasted my prompts. You know that, make sure that you have your prompt ready. I was trying to look at the duration that I want, because the prompt for this one is not really that much. So I just set it to 6 seconds. Now you can see 6 seconds is just going to generate for 200 and something credits. So it allowed me. Now the video is ready. That guy just said something, this guy said his own, and then he left. I'm going to
Na
play
floor
this
you wan
video
sweep o, no
so
be
you are
interview
going
na.
to see it.
I gats
Now
look
let
sharp
me
na
play
abi?
it.
No wahala, I like you, you dey funny.